Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a professional WordPress website with Infinity free web hosting and domain. So at first we will create our Infinity free account, then we will set up our free web hosting and domain. After that we will install WordPress and create a professional WordPress website. So let's see how we can do it. So go to infinityfree.com and then from the top just click on register from here. Now we need to sign up for Infinity Free, so we need to enter our email address, password, confirm password. So check both of these checkboxes and then click on sign up. I have already created an Infinity Free account, so I am going to click on sign in from here. So now we are in the Infinity Free account dashboard. So now from the top we are going to click on create account. So we are going to select this first option, which is free. So we are going to click on create now. Verify yourself as a human. So click on this checkbox. So now we are going to add our domain name here. And after that we can also select the domain extension from here. And then click on check availability. As you can see that our domain is now available. Now we need to add our account password. And for the email consent, I will select I don't approve and then click on create account. It will take a little bit time to create our account. So we have successfully set up our domain, and here on the top you will see a notification that newly registered domains may take 72 hours to be accessible everywhere, but it takes 1 to 2 hours for the domain to be completely accessible. So you have two options. Either you can wait for 2 to 3 hours and then install WordPress, or you can install WordPress and then wait for 2 to 3 hours and then check. But we will install WordPress right now. So we are going to click on control panel from here and then click on I approve. So now we are in the control panel of the Infinity free web hosting. So to install WordPress on our domain and hosting, we are going to scroll down and then select Softaculous Apps Installer from here. So to install WordPress, we are going to select WordPress from here. Scroll down and then click on install now. At first we are going to select our domain, and after that we are going to set up our admin account. We need to add our admin username, admin password and admin email. This admin username and password will be used later on to access our WordPress website dashboard. So I have added my username and password and email, and now I am going to scroll down and then click on install from here. So WordPress is now installing on our domain and hosting. So we have successfully created our new website with the help of Infinity free web hosting. Now to access our website, we are going to click on this first link. And this is the website that we have just created with Infinity free web hosting. So now if you want to access the dashboard of your WordPress website, go back from here and then click on this second link. And it will take you to the dashboard of your WordPress website. So this is how you can create a free website with the help of Infinity free web hosting. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.